Hi guys, it's Maya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually doing a really fun video. We just finished up right now, but it was so much fun to film. I did it with Bella and Callie, and we did like a cooking challenge. I didn't tell them what we were doing until they got here, so it was really funny. I want to say thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. They were the best. Guys, what was your overall thoughts on the HelloFresh?
Delicious.
It was good?
I actually didn't think I was gonna like it because I've never had couscous before, but like it made me like couscous. It's like the perfect amount.
Good for anyone who's like in a rush or doesn't want to waste groceries and waste money, because HelloFresh gives you the perfect amount of food for every meal. You guys can use my code SUMMERS60. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check that out. And you guys get 6 free meals, and that's awesome. It's actually perfect because all 3 of us were eating the meals and there's still leftovers. Seriously, I could feed a family. And that was the 1 to 2 size portion too. No waste, it was perfect. Everything was really healthy and it gives you all the prep time and all the ingredients and pictures and everything like that. Thank you HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. I mean, we could do it for funsies.
Oh, wait.
I need to raise that.
I put my shoes on.
Oh my god, I fit perfectly, but you completely out.
This tastes like there's salt on it.
I have salt.
No, like it already has salt.
You want salt?
No. I mean, yeah. It's too fancy for me.
Hi, my name.
Oh, wait. How would you say? God, it's ruined. It's ruined. God, I can't do this.
Today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh, so thank you HelloFresh for sponsoring.
Thank you.
They sent us these meals. It's not salt, honey.
I thought it was salt. Okay, this is why.
This is salt.
But it says garlic powder.
That's a lie.
Okay, you should restart completely.
60. Stop! Stop! Alright, we're gonna get into the cooking. I'm gonna make 7-grained chilies.
Rayanos. It's like Rayanos.
Yeah, that.
Chili
Keep
Rayanos.
repeating it.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do like a little cooking competition.
Oh,
Alright, so
I mean, it literally has step-by-step instructions. Like, there's no way to mess up that badly. Oh, wait, you just board.
the corner cup.
I was doing.
What? Is this a wash
Are we
board?
racing?
Do you want me that?
Oh, it's so sweet. Can I use this?
No, look at
Can I use this? Green for vegetables.
So I got the vegetarian box. Callie's a vegetarian. Me and Bella are vegans. Anything that we have in ours, like any dairy or something, we're just not going to use. Couscous.
Oh,
I
never.
love couscous.
I can't even
Oh
make
my
rice,
God.
y'all. I don't want to ruin it. Cheese. We don't want her. I'm already stressed out, man. I thought you were going to be cooking for us.
You need to play some like Italian music or something. That's what they play when you cook.
Play Italian music.
How's Italian? How are we all supposed to cook this when we have different degrees?
What?
This is not a fair
That's a
competition.
stove. Hey Siri. Hey
What's up?
Siri.
Car.
Hey Siri. Hey, why is it? Can I please have a knife?
You're going to have to look for it. I have to concentrate. Mine has cheese too.
Where's that knife you use?
In my hand, boo. Yeah, I'm not.
Okay, can you not hand it to me?
Yeah!
Whoa, this is a cool knife.
How
Hey,
much does it
you
do
can
this all at once?
Anyone can do this. God, that's great. I thought you like cut off your finger or something.
No,
In the
my
video.
salad.
Clickbait.
Oh my god, I'm crying.
This is such a pretty onion. Look how beautiful.
How do you cut an onion?
Wait, your onion's not as pretty as mine.
Shut up.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Oh wait, so they have, she lives right outside this.
Did you hear that? It's something on fire. I don't know
This is so
Oh my
funny.
god.
how to. Are we almost done?
Yeah,
Can I use it after you?
yeah.
Dude, I'm crying.
Zest?
What is it?
Oh my god, Callie, look what she just did. Dude, is this zesting?
That's not zesting.
How do you do that? Oh shoot, I forgot about my onions.
I just watch them burn over here.
I'm busy.
This is a competition.
Ow!
Callie!
It hurt, I'm sorry. I just got hot water on me.
You want me to turn this off?
No, don't touch anything. No, yeah, you can turn that one off.
I can't read.
Guys, look at me. Wow.
Wow, look at those flowers.
Look how good that looks. Oh, you made the biggest mess.
Yeah, but she's done first.
That's not, you know, you can't rush art. Can't rush art.
Rush?
Rush? Like you're Russian coming through.
Hey, we're not going anywhere.
Yeah, Callie, you're not going anywhere.
I'm not going to work. It's okay.
I'm not taking you to work. So I'm done with this, so. I didn't, oh my god. Oh, I need to cut scarlet. Look how good this looks.
Okay.
Oh, she's showing her camera, not
It
us.
kind of looks good. Use code SUMMER60 for 6 free boxes.
6?
Wow.
Can I use it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We use it.
That's what I'm saying. It's a good deal.
So everyone, this is
No
mine.
way.
See it?
I mean, I don't know, but that's all I
It has some sage and some pine nuts and some ravioli. Maya, why do your forks have 3?
So this is what goes
What are
on.
you talking about?
This is what goes on the cheese.
They
So
always
what do
have
I do?
to
That's why.
Wow. This is good.
Is it really?
Oh my god.
I wish I could have it.
You can save it for your family.
Do you want couscous or not?
Can I borrow it? Just kidding.
I need 1 cup.
Catch!
This is what mine looks like. To be honest, I think I might have won, but I haven't tried it yet, so we'll see. I like roasted it. The peppers are underneath it. Sprinkled like lime on it. It looks really good, and I'm really hungry. Yours actually looks really good, Bella. Is it vegan? Kale? No.
There's supposed to be cheese on top, but us vegans do not put cheese on top. That's why it looks bad. I swear. Like, see, it just needs something.
That's a really big bowl.
Yeah, and I gave her a small. Can I just say something to the vlog as well? I gave her the perfect size bowl to put everything in.
can I show
and
the
she
vlog?
said, "That's too small. I need a
You
big one."
said this one.
Look how perfect that would have been.
That's literally fine.
That is so perfect.
Oh,
Are you
let's put it
kidding me?
Wait, should we like hold up our masterpieces?
Callie, where's yours?
I'll hold on, Maya. No.
Big heaping thing.
I know. Does anyone want my?
Mmm. This is really good. Good job, Bella.
Bella's probably like the best cook out of everyone.
Could we like music or something?
Yeah, maybe like old Italian music.
So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing us cook, get really stressed out and overwhelmed, but it was definitely worth it. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll leave the link down below where you guys can check out the HelloFresh deal. Love you guys, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.